Here I have DOOGEE S80, and today I'm going to show you how to check your battery health on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to download this Ampere app from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, tap no thank you, close, and after it ends measuring your battery, you can see like full information about it. And as you can see, here is my battery's health. As you can see, it's good, everything is normal. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.